Okay, so friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the PLC program scan cycle. Then we have discussed the relay type instructions. There are basically three types of relay type instructions, that is examine if close, examine if open, and output energization. And all these instructions are single bit instructions which are used for the programming a PLC. Okay, now uh, in the previous lecture we will discuss about the exercise instruction, examine if close instruction. In examine if close instruction, what you have done, this instruction will check when it is going to be close. Okay, so when the instruction is close, when the button is pressed, at that time its value is going to be updated. It is continuously checking the state. Okay, so this instruction is true when the button is pressed. If the button is not pressed, the instruction becomes false. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the examine if open instruction. In examine if open instruction, which is called as the examine of instruction, looks and operates like the normally closed relay contact. If you are going to see, it is the NC contact of your contactor. It's similar to the NC contact of contactor. This instruction is associated with a single memory bit linked to the status of input devices or internal logical condition of the run. This instruction asks the PLC processor to examine if the contact is open or not. Remember, this instruction continuously asks the processor whether the contact is open. If the contact is open, the instruction is true. If the contact is not open, the instruction is false. It does this by examining the bit at the memory location specified by the address. And how it will perform this task? So it will perform the task by checking the memory location of the input, okay, to which the device is connected. Say this is my input image table we just consider. Then this is my input module. To the input module, this is my I0, I1, I2, I3 and I4. To the I4 I have connected one NC switch over here. Now this value of this is going to be updated into the input image table 4 over here. Now what happened, as the NC is there, okay, as we already discussed, XIO means your NC. So my condition is false over here. Okay, my supply is there, it is continuously flowing. This switch is not pressed. Unless an entity is going to be in this state, okay, your condition is going to be false over here. Now here I have released the pressure. Because of this, what happened? This condition is open. What is going to check? It will check whether it is open or not. Okay, now here in second case it is open. It is open means what? The condition is true, and based on this your output may get energized or depending on your logic, whatever the logic we are going to use for this one. Okay, so what is the basic difference that we are going to discuss over here is, in XIC instruction the PLC processor will check whether the contact is closed or not, and in XIO instruction the processor will check whether the contact is open or not. Okay, so in this instruction it will always checking the contact is open or not. ओके, XIO मध्ये काय करतो तो, कॉन्टॅक्ट ओपन कधी होतो आणि ओपन झाल्यानंतर इट विल टेक द डिसिजन. The logic it is going to be, or the program is going to be start executing once this particular thing is going to be open in XIO. Now the third instruction that is going to be used in relay instruction is your output energizer. What is output energizer? This is simply output coil. Okay, so the OT instructions looks and operates like the relay coil, and it is associated with the memory bit. These instructions, if you are going to see, it is similar to your relay coil. The relay coil may get energized or de-energized. So it has only two stable state, either 0, energized means 1, and de-energized means 0. So it will a single bit instruction. This instruction signal the PLC to energize or de-energize the output. This instruction will tell the output device either it is going to be on or it is going to be off. The processor makes this instruction true or analogous to energizing a coil when there is a logical path of the true XIC XIO instruction in the RAM. So what does the processor will do? This instruction will get on or energized similar to the coil. Okay, when there is a logical path, okay, logical true path from XIC instruction or XIO instruction. Okay, now here my program is what, to the input 1 I have connected one switch. To the input module 1 I have connected the switch to the 4 terminal. This is connected to the 1 terminal, this is connected to the 4. So this switch is connected to this is my I1 switch, this is my I4 switch. Okay, now when both switches are on, at that time the output coil get energized. So you can see over there, when the value of this one is on, at that time this output coil get energized. So this is like this one. Okay, so how it will be like this one? So this switch 1 is connected to this one, switch 4 is connected to this one. So when both switches are pressed, at that time their input image table is going to be updated and your output is going to be energized. Here one more wire should be there, and this wire should go from this one to this one. Okay, so this is my 4 to like this somewhere over here. When both wires, when switch 1 and here its value should be 1, when this one and this is also 1, at that time only this output will get energized, otherwise the output does not get energized over here. Is it clear? So this is my output devices. Okay, so these are the three most commonly used instruction for relay type, for programming a PLC by using the relay instructions. Okay, so in the next lecture we will discuss about the actual programming.